Mayap Ayabak Lubao! Kamusta kayo dyan? I'm Anterstine Abot, your host for the grand opening of Wilcon Depot dito sa Lubao. And of course, this is not just a grand opening because ito ang 100 store opening. Yes, you heard that right. This is pang 100 store na po ng Wilcon Depot. And this is not just a milestone but also a testament ng tuloy-tuloy na pagserbisyo ng Wilcon Depot sa tahanan ng bawat Pilipino. Let us know kung nasang part ba kayo ng Pampanga, ng Pilipinas o ng mundo para sabay-sabay nating i-celebrate ang araw na to. Alam nyo ba na simula pa lang nung pinakaunang branch ng Wilcon Depot sa Quezon Ave ay naging part na ito ng countless of Filipino households. And now we're here sa tile section. Syempre, iba-iba yung ating designs, guys. Meron tayong glossy, meron tayong matte, meron tayong mukhang rustic. Depende kung saan nyo ilalagay yan, kung indoor or outdoor or kung sa dining or sa bathroom, right? And syempre, it's not just all about the style, but all about the durability as well. We are officially opening our celebration here at Wilcon Depot Lubao together with our VIPs, Wilcon executives, and the entire Lubao community. So as you can see, ayan po, katatapos lang ng ating ribbon cutting. Alright guys, andito naman tayo ngayon sa Shop, Snop, and Share booth at makakasama natin si Miss Dayan. So Miss Dayan, paano nga ba ang mechanics dito? Ayan, talaga namang napakadali lang manalo at napakagaganda ng mga freebies. So what are you waiting for? Dumalaw na dito sa Wilcon Depot Lubao at mag-take ng iyong best photos para manalo. Alright, DIY lovers, this one is for you. Welcome to the DIY section. This is your one-stop shop for your tools, paints, and everything that you need for your home renovation or home improvement projects. Last but not the least, of course, we have the home living section. So welcome to the home living section, guys, where you will find unique furniture and very stylish decors. Definitely, it will upgrade your home, especially this coming holiday season. So, you know guys, Wilcon Depot makes everything accessible for us, stylish and functional all in one. Nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng nagpunta today at syempre sa lahat na rin ng nanood via Facebook Live. Don't forget to visit Wilcon Depot dito sa Lubao para naman ma-experience nyo ang world-class products and services.